uDesmond Tutu ngokuhlonishwa ube ngomunye wabantu asebekhulile abagonywe namhlanje. Yena nowakwakhe umama uLiya bagonywe ngomgomo wePfizer esibhedlela eBrooklyn Chest eKepha.
The areas where people have registered the least is the more underprivileged and deprived areas. We are making it our mission to go to those areas to serve the most vulnerable, to get people to register so we can give them dignity.
Isifundazwe iFree State sibe nesibalo esiphezulu sabantu asebekhulile abagonywe ngosuku lokuqala lokugoma esigabeni sesibili sokugoma eThekohelong welfare eQwaqwa.
Ndiziva ndiqhiyaqhiya ndingumqabaqaba ndiziva ndipholile.
Umnyango ukhathazekile ngesibalo sabantu abangeniswa esibhedlela.
Our hospitals are getting fuller by the day, and even our quarantine sites, the Harip one was full. So even yesterday we had to transfer some of the patients to Bloemfontein quarantine sites.
Empumalanga kuqale ngolonwabo ukugonywa kwabantu asebekhulile njengoba ezinye izibhedlela bezingenayo imijovo. Bangaphezulu ka-30,000 abantu asebekhulile ababhalisele ukugoma kulesifundazwe.
Mhlawumbe sengijovile nje sengihamba sengijovile ngoba ngikwathi ukungibulala kusasa.
Upresident uyisayinele le vaccine. We
are looking at a target of at least 5,960 per day that we are going to vaccinate, and of course that will be guided by the number of doses that we receive from national.
Isifundazwe iNorthern Cape sesithole isibalo esiphezulu sabantu abahaqwe iCOVID-19. Lesifundazwe sithole abantu abangamakhulu ayithupha neshumi nanhlanu izolo. Lekuyisibalo esiphezulu kakhulu kusula kwabika umuntu wokuqala esikhathini esingangonyaka esedlule.
The side effects are mild compared to what would happen if I had COVID. So I am expecting side effects, but I'm not worried about them at all.
I'm clear that I need this vaccine. I want to have it, and I'm going to have it.
The National Department of Health, through the Minister, Dr. Zweli Mkhize, has prioritized Northern Cape that to receive the Johnson & Johnson vaccine as it arrives. But for now, we can't wait for the Johnson & Johnson. We must vaccinate our people now with the Pfizer.
Elimpopo abantu asebekhulile abagonyiwe namhlanje bathi kudala bebekulangazelele ukugoma.
By Friday this week, we would have vaccinated more than 8,000 individuals in the province. We are hoping that towards the end of the week, we will be getting more vaccines.